Hello, my name is Travis. I'd like to introduce my project. Animals look alike. Three always, moths and butterflies are alike. First, moths and butterflies have antennae. Second, they have wings. Last, they have body. Three always, moths and butterflies are different. First, moths are fuzzy. Butterflies are not fuzzy. Second, moths are dull. Butterflies are colorful. Last, moths are fat. Butterflies are thin. Cheetah and leopard. Three always, cheetah and leopard are alike. First, cheetah and leopard are strong. Second, they are fast. Last, three always, cheetah. They both have spots. Three always, cheetah and leopard are different. First, cheetah's spots are like circles, but leopard spots are like forwards. Second, the leopard are bigger than cheetahs. Then, last, leopard hunt at night, but cheetahs hunt during the day. Thank you for listening to my project.